Generative AI, predictive AI, and machine learning. What are they? Are they all the same thing, or are they different? Well, let's talk about it. Generative AI refers to a category of AI tools that create content, whether it's text, images, videos, audio, etc. When you think of AI, there's probably like a 90% chance you're thinking about generative AI. It's the type of AI that's most heavily marketed to consumers and shows up in many news stories. ChatGPT, Gemini, Midjourney, Sora, these are all generative AI tools. On a basic level, generative AI is designed to mimic human content. It powers chatbots, conducts research, and creates things based on the datasets used to train it. The following super realistic clip was made by AI. Generative AI can be a powerful assistant in your day-to-day, but it needs human input and oversight. Now let's move on to predictive AI. This type of AI predicts what will happen in the future by analyzing existing data for patterns and trends. Predictive AI hasn't gotten nearly as much public attention as generative AI, but behind the scenes, it's been pretty widely adopted by businesses. Now that's because predictive AI is really useful for estimating future metrics like leads, sales, and revenue, all of which tend to be pretty important to companies. In paid advertising, for example, a predictive AI tool can analyze your past ad performance to forecast how your ads will perform in the coming quarter. It can also help businesses predict demand patterns, especially in industries like retail, whose patterns can fluctuate a lot. And now for our last term, machine learning. Put simply, machine learning is a part of AI that deals with how models are built and trained. I mean, tools like ChatGPT don't work based on magic, although it might feel that way. They work the way they do because they digest a ton of data, and then their algorithms learn from that data to help them complete tasks. That learning process is what we're talking about when we say machine learning. Often you can go even further and say that modern AI uses deep learning, a layered, advanced type of machine learning that relies on complex, human brain-inspired neural networks to process information. But back to machine learning. This encompasses both generative AI and predictive AI. Just about any AI tool you use probably harnesses machine learning in some way. So here's a little graphic that explains the whole AI hierarchy. Generative AI generates various types of content. Predictive AI predicts future data patterns, and machine learning is how AI learns from its training data. And there you go. Now you know the difference between all three. Well, I guess my job here is done. If you found this helpful, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the latest videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!